Heat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Chop 2 pounds of heirloom tomatoes. Peel 4 cloves of garlic. Oil a baking sheet. Add your tomatoes and your garlic. Season with salt and pepper and place it in the oven for 30 minutes. Chop 1 onion. Chop 1 zucchini. Add oil to a medium saucepan. Add the zucchini and onion and sauté until tender. Add 4 cups of chicken broth. Add 1 Parmesan rind, cook for 10 minutes. Remove the tomatoes from the oven. Remove the parm from the pot. Add your roasted tomatoes into the soup. Cook an additional 10 minutes. Chop a 1/4 cup basil. Place soup in a blender to liquefy. Shave half a cup of parm cheese. Add the cheese and the basil to the soup. Mix well. When ready to serve, drizzle with heavy cream and garnish with some basil.